Hello and welcome to another craft kit for adults. I'm Rosalie and today we're going to be making haiku fridge magnets using book pages. So a haiku is a short form of poetry that originated in Japan, and in English these poems usually have a 3-line format, 17 syllables that go in a 5-7-5 pattern. They don't rhyme and they usually cut out a lot of extra words like a and the and. So the way I use the book pages is I scan them looking for anything that just popped out at me. Really pretty words or phrases, things that sound pretty but maybe they don't mean too much. You can also go with different themes. It's really up to you on what the haiku ends up looking like. My big suggestion is to cut out more words than you think you'll need because you'll want some wiggle room with the syllables. Once you have all your words cut out, you can start arranging them into the haiku format. Count out the syllables of each word, like syllable has 3 syllables in it. And then fit them into the 5-7-5 format. So 5 syllables for the first line, 7 syllables for the middle, and 5 for the bottom. And remember, this is your poem, so it can just sound pretty. It can have some kind of meaning for you. It's really up to you about the final product. So I made my haiku first to see how much space I would need for the fridge magnet, and now I can start decorating the magnet base. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do so. These magnets are very thin, so they're easily cut with scissors, and you can make all kinds of shapes if you want. Or you can use the whole magnet. For mine that I end up finishing, it ends up being the whole business card size magnet because it was a really wide poem. To decorate the magnet bases, I'm using scrapbook paper and a permanent bond glue stick, just to make sure that it really stays on there. And I'm also pressing down really firmly for about 10 seconds with each one. So for my finished magnet, I ended up layering some of the scrapbook paper on top to give it a kind of patchwork look. And then I didn't keep my words super straight just because I wanted it to have that sort of rustic scrapbooky look. But you can also use a ruler to make sure that your lines are perfectly straight. So because these magnets are so thin, you'll want to lay something heavy on top of it once you're done gluing, like some books or some boxes, and just let it flatten out for a day. You can seal your work if you want with one of these 2 options, but it's not very necessary. We will have craft kits available with the book pages, scrapbook paper, and magnets while supplies last at the service desk. Thanks for watching!